Hey Stephen, how you going, mate?
Good, mate, you?
Oh, yeah, not too bad. What's going on today, bro?
Just going to jump out of a plane and conquer the fear.
Conquer the fear.
Been dragged along by Adam here and a bit excited, taking it 1 minute at a time.
How's those nerves going?
Yeah, starting to build. Starting to build.
Nothing to worry about, mate. You're in safe hands.
Good, I'm excited. Thanks, Hamish.
Cool, bro. Let's go do it, eh?
Stop when I'm with you. Contemplation with my fears. Still breezes. Alright. Hey brother, how you going?
Yeah, getting a little bit nervous, but I think Snide, surprisingly, is more nervous than me. So I've conquered my fear. Brett's shitting himself, but I'm more excited. I'm just ready to go up there.
You haven't conquered shit yet.
I know, I'm shitting my pants.
So just so you know, we're halfway there now. 5,000 metres.
We're a long way up.
A long way up.
You can hardly see the ground.
So what do we can do? You want to jump?
I'm going to do it, but I'm fucking shitting myself.
Sweet, brother. Alright, should we go do it?
Let's do it.
Daydream about being free and look up at the sun, think about all of my days to come, living a life that has just begun. I can if I just spread my wings. Oh, I just fly.
Here we are.
Great landing.
Nice, bro. What'd you reckon?
Let's go back up.
What did you think when you first fell out of that plane?
Shit myself for the first 5 seconds, then just relaxed, and just once you got the hands
Easy.
out.
Yeah?
Awesome.
Nice one, bro. Well done,
Pleasure.
mate.
Thanks.
For a second, man.
day to day.